If you want to have the top-tier gaming wallpapers for your desktop, there are 3 simple steps that you will need to follow. I'll make sure to put a direct link to this specific website in the very first comment below. Once you go to this website, you can browse through the gallery and click on any high-quality wallpaper you like. Then download it completely free of charge from this dedicated section. Well, once you have successfully finished downloading the wallpaper, you will then need to have this particular software installed on your computer. You need to have the live wallpaper software. The name of the software is here and you can download it from GitHub. So when you open the software, you just click on this section for the wallpaper you have and select the file from your own gallery. After you select the file, you open it and then click OK here. So once you've selected the file, you'll see that your wallpaper is successfully set.